Hey guys, I'm back again with another Temu video. So this is kind of a recap. I want to do a short process from the live that I did the other day. Make sure you guys catch it. Go check it out because I reviewed a bunch of Christmas dies from Temu. So the gingerbread house is one of them, which you saw in the beginning. And there it goes right there. It's so cute. I had so much fun putting it together. And then this snowflake with the fluffies, is another item from Temu. It's a pack of 30, and I don't know if it's supposed to be like 3-in-1 because it has like 3 holes, and one of the layers do come up, but I use it all as one. And so I wanted to grab these ornament bases, these snowflake bases, to create ornaments. I thought it would be a perfect base for me to add my die cuts or whatever kind of crafty project that I've made, and I could just glue it on there, embellish it, and boom, you got a cute custom handmade ornament that you can gift to your loved ones, or you can put it on a tree. It came out so cute, guys. I had so much fun with this gingerbread house die. I think it's so cute and simple. And right here, I'm just adding some foam tape to give it some dimension. And of course, you guys know I have to add my ruffled tulle. I love floofies. You know, I love ruffled tulle. I just really like this because it gives like a softness to it. And I like the color because it kind of offsets the other colors that I got going on, like a bright pink and then the white. And this is like a cream type of pink. I don't know. I can't describe the color. But it's really beautiful. You see the softness that it kind of gives it. And so I just went across with it and it wasn't enough. So I decided to go the opposite direction so that it can kind of fill it all up. Kind of like the effect you would get with a rosette. So here I am just seeing how it looks, and yeah, I like it. So I'm going to trim it and glue it on. And again, I just love the softness and the more texture that it gives this ornament. So yeah, guys, if you're new to Temu, definitely use my code, download the app, and you'll get $100 worth of free items plus 30% off your entire purchase for your first purchase. And that's for new users only, okay? I love everything that I grabbed from Temu this month, guys. Make sure you check out my haul if you missed it because there's so many goodies, and everything that's in this video is basically from Temu except for the foam tape. So I'm just trimming off the little ugly edges because sometimes when you cut this, it can get a little like crazy looking on the edges. So I'm just fixing that up, and I'm just going to simply glue that to this ornament base. So currently the ornament base is sold out, but I do have my notifications on, and I will link that as soon as it's available. So I'm just going to use my hot glue and glue it on, and you're going to see one of those layers come up from the snowflake. So I don't know, guys. I think this is supposed to be 3-in-1, and see how quick it came off? Look at that. I think it's supposed to be 3, but I just used like one. I put it all together as one. Look at how pretty that snowflake is. So the next time that I use these snowflakes, I'm going to definitely peel the 3 layers and use one and see how it looks. But I like how this is like chunky, and I don't know. I just love the way it came out. So yeah. And so I'm just adjusting everything because I do want to leave space on top to put a bow. And I saved you guys the trouble of watching me struggle with the string on top because these sausage fingers. But look at how pretty. You know, I always have to top things off with a bow and finish it off. So I'm using that die cut from another die set that I hauled. And then that's a little cute little Hobby Lobby pink bow. And I'm just fixing it up. And I love the way these came out, guys. I hope that you give this a try. Again, this is a great way to... Oh, and these little nail capuchons, they're like little snowflakes. I use those to embellish the rest of the gingerbread house, guys. These are the perfect size for small embellishments to add little details. So I'm just going in with my wet glue, and I'm going to glue those, and she's going to be finished, guys. Check out my video previous to this so you can see everything that I grabbed from Temu because you're going to want it all. It's so cute. I'm so happy I have all these pretty crafty supplies to create some more things to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below to let me know that you watched. And tell me where you're watching from. And look at that other cute little bow. It's so adorable. And I used printed paper on the other one. All right. I hope you enjoyed these projects, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.